Kia ora, Morena. Hi, welcome. I'm so glad you're here today because that means that you've made the decision to take charge of your learning, and we all need to do that. I'm going to be using the New Zealand curriculum to help teenagers in particular with whatever they need, NCA, basic spelling, some tips and tricks for getting through, for using your memory. I'm talking too fast, so just remember it's a good idea to pause the video, rewind it in the digital age, and listen again to each point if you find I'm going too fast. That's perfectly acceptable and a great thing to do. That's why the flipped classroom, where you watch the video and then take your ideas into school or send comments to me, or then go back and check in with your teachers, actually can advantage you. So it's really good that you have searched the internet and that you've found me, hashtag my New Zealand tutor, because I'm going to be with you every step of the way. If you find that it's really difficult with just digital me, there's Skype, there's finding your own tutor one-on-one in the flesh to help you out. So you can take the ideas to your teacher as well. There's lots of different ways that you can get help, but hopefully some of these videos and me talking to you and giving you some ideas is going to help. Please remember that you are working harder than the kids, the students that I work with in the flesh, because when I sit down together with them, I am doing a little bit of thinking for them, breaking things down, for them coming at it a different way, thinking about how they learn best and what's good for them. I'm doing that job. So when you are watching my videos or other people's videos and you find that you have to stop and go back and rewatch and go back and rewatch, sometimes that means that you need to think, what exactly is it? How do I need this information reorganized? So that person might not be for you. The way that information is coming across might not be for you. Remember, you can slow down the videos with half speed or a little bit less. All you technical teenagers know how to do that, and that's good for you. So make sure that you're going at your pace and looking at information your way, because it's all about you actually, and we want you to succeed. That makes me succeed too. So it's really important. So do know that you are working harder because you are having to take a little bit of my role and deciding whether these things, the information is working for you. Also, please make sure that you've got some paper. You can see I've already written on this one, and a pen, lots of colours. They're really good unless you don't like colour. But I find that using colour and you writing things down, even if you find writing difficult, that is another way that the information gets into your brain. So I'll be talking about that in a different video. But it's great that you have come along, and I hope you get heaps out of it because I'm having a ball. Thanks.